Hello everybody, we are back on the job that I started a couple weeks ago. I got rained out. I haven't been able to come in for the past couple of weeks, but I got everything in the backyard done, and now I'm into the front yard so I can actually get the machine around here. You can see my little trenching bucket I've got on there. It's about 3 inches wide, so I'm going to be able to get in between these pavers to get these downspout extensions on. One step around here. So I kind of pre-marked my area that I need to dig and where I'm going to put my 45 in. We got a nice trench cut in there. I can go through there and clean it out with the shovel by hand a little bit, or whatever, you know, these areas that I can get the shovel in anyway. Good work, Cuba. So what I'm digging for there is to find which direction this water supply goes. Make sure I don't have anything going this way, because I have to continue this trench from here and across. So obviously I don't want to tear into a water line, but I think I'll be fine if I go that way. Okay, sorry guys, I actually stopped recording for a while because I was digging this out by hand on this slope right here. And I don't know if it looks, you know, steep on camera or not, but it is. It's really, really steep and loose. And I just didn't really have it in me to keep setting up the tripod while I was digging all that out. And I did both. I did this one here, and then I did that one over there. You can kind of see it. That one comes off the downspout of the corner of the house. This one comes off at the entry. I'm running the garden hose through right now from the top so you can see how much water's flushing out. And I kind of built a little rockery right here just to help prevent any erosion right where the outlet is, because when it storms there's going to be a lot of water coming out of here. I tried to simulate that with the garden hose, but it really doesn't compare. So we're probably 60 or 80 feet away from the inlet. I'll climb up this hill, kind of do a switch back here. This is where I buried and there we are. So the next step is going to be taking some decorative rock and protecting that little berm right there. So it's beautiful and also, like I said, protected from erosion.